What's up, guys? So let's solve this 1624 largest substring between two equal characters. So given a string S, return a length of longest substring between two equal characters, excluding the two characters. If there is a no substring from return -1. So AA, you get 0 and 1, right? So it's 1 minus 0 minus 1 because 0. Okay. And for this one, you get 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus 0 minus 1 is 2. For this one, you don't get anything, right? Because there's no characters. Okay, so the first boundary case, what we can do is that if you check that where every character is unique. If every character is unique, then immediately return -1 because it's like this case, okay? And you can, since there's only 26 characters, right? So you can initialize a dictionary, initialize a list with 26, and each use -1. So this is the index list. The initialize answer to be 0, and then you enumerate S. And then for each, so this is the change alphabets change it to the number, right? So if any time you already see something indices is greater than -1, that means that there is the same alphabets already happened in the previous rate. So you can update your length. Okay. Otherwise, that means this is the first time you see these characters. So you add it. Okay, then you return answer. Okay, so that's it. See you guys next videos.